How to unpin my AI on Snapchat on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unpin my AI on Snapchat on iPhone. First, go to the Snapchat application. Now, go to the chats. Here, you need to tap on My AI. Tap on Chat Settings. Then, go to your profile. Tap to open the settings. Scroll down until you reach the option of I need help. Tap to open it. In the search bar, you need to search for My AI. In the list, you will find the option of how do I unpin or remove my AI. Tap on it. Now you can see we are not having these options in our settings, which are mentioned here. Give the feedback as this article isn't accurate or doesn't match what I see in Snapchat. Tap on Submit. Snapchat will soon resolve your problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.